Kimberly Marzan, Mutyati Nagilian 2019, and I welcome you all to my beloved town, the home of the original Basi, Nagilian. Nagilian is a variety of natural resources, filled with amazing tourist destinations, rich cultural and historical heritage, and great agricultural lands striving for agritourism development. And now, nandito po tayo sa Passion Fruit Farm at Liwak Sur, Nagilian. Tara, silipin natin. This is the passion fruit. It is a tropical fruit and it also rich in vitamins A and C. Andito po tayo ngayon sa Nagilian Basi Processing Center. Nagilian is known for its Basi. Basi is an organic sugarcane wine derived and extracted from sugarcane juice and fermented for about 6 to 12 months. Dito sa burnay na ito, iniimbak ang Basi wine. Residents here in Bangkagan, Nagilian are great craftsmen of bamboo products. Tignan natin ang kanilang mga finished products.
Ito ang best longganisa from Nagilian. Dalawang klase po ito. Ito ang garlic flavor.
Ito ang hamonado flavor. Alam nyo ba na ang longganisang Nagilian ang nanalo bilang best longganisa sa buong La Union? Tikman natin. Nandito po tayo sa Rice Wine San Antonio, Nagilian, La Union. Titikman po natin ang rice wine na pinagmamalaki ng San Antonio. Tara, inom tayo. Next stop is Liwak Norte, Nagilian. Halina't kilalanin natin ang artistic culture in silver crafting. Quality Silver, Tatak, Nagilian. Nandito po tayo ngayon sa ipinagmamalaking tourist attraction ng Nagilian, the majestic Tudingan Falls. Welcome to San Antonio Mini Rice Terraces! What I love most in this experience was seeing big and warm smiles from hardworking people behind Nagilian's rich agricultural sector who are passionate in what they are doing, helping our town boost its agritourism-based economy. I have been to many places, but there's nothing like home, my beloved town Nagilian. With a confident heart, I am a proud Nagilianon.